up, YouTube? I hope you're all having a great day. Today we're going over to Klamath Falls to do an indoor arena cross. Levi, he's racing his 50 in the 65 junior class, and I'm racing CRF 110 in the pit bike class because my legs hurt too bad to race my 125 right now. And we don't have enough room to bring it to Mammoth because we're actually on our way to Mammoth also. So I don't know if I'm gonna make a two-part video or two different videos, or if I'm just gonna make one big video. I don't know yet. This is my first YouTube video, so we'll see how it goes. We only made it about, what, 10 minutes before we had to stop already?
Yep.
Jeez.
Right.
Alright guys, so this is the indoor stadium. It's a pretty simple track. It's great for pit bikes. I mean, this is their whoop section. It's pretty screwed, but it's got fun jumps. It's fun for pit bikes. Here's a top view of the track. I don't know what the dirt is. It's like kind of like gravel, honestly, but yeah, so that's from what was the whoop section. And it's a pretty tight, small track, but it's fun. It's super sick. We're going out for our 110 Moto. I think I'm gonna have my friend film them. just got done with the 110 Heat 1. It was super fun. I got second, but the guy in first isn't signed up. He just raced it for fun, so that means I get a first place trophy if I do it again. So yeah, it was sick. As you can see, it was super fun, and I'm gonna show you some clips of Levi now. Alright, Levi's going out for his second moto. See how it goes.
Ty, can you get me some Kobe?